Let's unlock the future of finance through the lens of crypto and blockchain. If you're fascinated by how digital currencies are reshaping our world, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to never miss out on our weekly videos. Let's talk about a phenomenon that's as mysterious as it is powerful, the Bitcoin halving. Hold on to your seats because these are 5 important facts about Bitcoin halving that nobody has told you before. From whispers of Bitcoin hitting a staggering $100,000 in 2024 to record-breaking Google searches, the halving isn't just a technical tweet. It's the evolution wrapped in a riddle, and we're here to unravel it. Fact number 1. There isn't much Bitcoin left. Yes, you heard that right. With each halving, the bounty for miners shrinks, squeezing the supply and sparkling wild price rallies. After the 2024 halving, only 1.3 million Bitcoins will remain up for grabs. Moving to fact number 2, Google searches for Bitcoin halving are through the roof. With the spikes from regions as diverse as Nigeria to Switzerland, the global curiosity isn't just peaking, it's exploding. For our third revelation, BlackRock is betting big on Bitcoin, launching an ETF that's become the fastest growing in history. The financial giant is not just dipping his toes, but diving headfirst into the crypto pool. And here's the curveball at number 4, Bitcoin Ordinals. This twist in the Bitcoin saga turns the blockchain into a playground for digital collectibles. Despite controversies, sales hit $13.8 million in just a day, dwarfing Ethereum and Solana. Our final fact checks the pulse of the market. Despite the past successes post-halving, the short-term outlook remains clouded with skepticism. Betting markets are cautious, predicting less than a coin flip's chance for Bitcoin to hit $100,000 this year. As we ride this roller coaster towards the next halving, one thing is clear. Bitcoin never ceases to amaze, disrupt, and challenge the financial norms. What do you think the future holds? Drop your predictions and thoughts in the comments below. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and until next time, stay tuned!